things that have changed outside the business that aren't in the numbers is my general relaxed nature and feeling that everything's in control. It's not happening by chance anymore, it's happening by structure. Hi, I'm Justin from Omnis. I'm the CEO in the firm. We've been operating for the last 26 years. We have a team of approximately 12 people onshore and about the same offshore. Before joining Wize, my day-to-day was chaotic. It was costing me a lot. Didn't have a lot of time to do many things really, except for work, get home exhausted and jump into the next problem. One particular moment when I thought I couldn't keep operating like this was when you continually had a barrage of emails, barrage of client questions, barrage of team questions, and you had no space or time. I decided to start working with Wize because I believed the framework that they delivered actually allowed you to create space for yourself and also for your team to develop and grow. The framework that has created the biggest difference for me is the rhythm of meetings and the activities that we generate out of the back of that, which actually gives us a lot of structure. The thing that's changed most in our business by the numbers is our write-offs, which have significantly reduced. The things that have changed outside the business that aren't in the numbers is my general relaxed nature and feeling that everything's in control. It's not happening by chance anymore, it's happening by structure. The things that I've gained the most from personal aspect and for the freedom that I have, I do get more flexibility. I don't feel like I need to be in the office all the time. I'm working towards a shorter work week. Something that I can do now that I couldn't have imagined doing 3 years ago was being able to go away at different points of time for long periods and not expect to be exploded with emails, communication from the office, client phone calls, etc. The Wize community is awesome. Everyone's in it for the right reasons. From all the other firms that we get to be with, they have had the same experiences or the same problems or have solutions to problems we have, and everyone's really eager to share and help. If a firm owner is watching this and was sitting where I was 3 years ago, I'd encourage you to jump in, give it everything. Don't take shortcuts, but show up and keep showing up and persist. If I could tell myself one thing the day before I signed up with Wize, would be trust the process, embrace it, and believe it. We decided to do the Wize advisory training for the development of our team and the growth that they were experiencing from it. We know that our clients need more than just numbers. We've always tried, but being accountants, we stay so close to the numbers. This has given us a structure to allow us to actually do more with that part of the work. The importance of moving into the advisory space the way that Wize teaches it, it gives you a real clear structure that won't be overwhelming for the client and will give them a staged approach so that they can actually just follow the bouncing ball. The Wize advisory training was awesome. It changed the way our team think about dealing with their clients, even if they're not going to deliver advisory services. So the ability for them to change their mindset and start them on a path, it just gives them another way to grow.